Hello and welcome to our Quix tutorial. Today we're going to show you the blurb element. Using the blurb element, you can present your content, text, paragraph, images and icon in beautiful styles and boxes. Click on the plus icon and select the blurb element. Once the blurb element is loaded, you can change the title from here and write your paragraph here. You can also change the title tag as well as link your title. Add images or icon from the library. You can add, alter text and captions to the image. From the Style tab, you can set the alignment, spacing, image width, and adjust it for the responsive device. From the Content panel, you can set the alignment of the content, position of the content with respect to the images. You can add padding, title spacing, select font, font width, font size, text transform, style, decorations and more. Now you can change the font width and size. Adjust the line height too. Welcome to the second style of blurb element. Go to the Style tab and change the image alignment. Adjust the spacing and padding. Now adjust the text positioning horizontally and vertically. This is how you can make a complete new presentations of your content. I will show you another style in the third video of Blurb. Welcome to the last style of blurb element. Go to the setting. Change the image from image and icon. Get the image above the text. Adjust image width. Now from the Advanced tab, set the padding. And set a bottom border. Also change the border color. Then apply it. Thus you can make a lot of styles using blurb element. Advanced tab is common everywhere. We have a dedicated video for this. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Create explainer video at affordable cost. Contact Revive today.